Okay, thank you for clicking on this video. Don't worry, it's not clickbait, it's not an ad, there's no ebook or mailing list, you don't have to take a paid course. It's just something I saw going on Instagram that I think people deserve to know about. Right now, in 2021, this is the best way to get more likes on Instagram. My Instagram likes are through the roof. Now, I'm not some Instagram guru. I'm not relevant. I'm barely noteworthy. But I did start this Instagram page a while back because I saw all these other horror pages and they were just really so-so. All they post is ads, right? The content is all ripped off. It's all crap. Instagram is like a cesspool. There's one good account for every 10 throwaways. So I set out to be the one good account. If all these other Instagram accounts can get away with all their crap, then maybe I can make one Instagram page that's just a little bit better. Just cut like a couple fewer corners than the rest of them do. And it was a trek. I took this old account and turned it into what is now the Boss Autos, and none of the followers carried over. It was basically like starting out at zero with a bigger follower count. So bit by bit, over the past month or so, I've been trying to grow that page, and it has been tough, seriously. But then I found something. I noticed all of these reels popping up in my feed from people I didn't even know. And I'm going, these accounts are minuscule, yet their reels are getting hundreds, thousands, millions of views. How is this happening? How are they doing this? So I tried doing one. I took a regular Instagram video, and instead of just posting it, I turned it into a reel. And immediately I discovered something. You can put as many hashtags as you want on a reel. There's no 30 hashtag limit. It's endless. So I posted my first reel, and it does like 10 times better than anything else I've ever posted. It gets like 1,000 more likes, and it gets tens of thousands more views. I mean, right now, in 2021, this is the best way to get more likes on Instagram. My Instagram likes are through the roof, just from using Reels. This is such an easy thing to do, and it works so well. All you have to do is turn your video posts into Reels. Bam, 10x. The Instagram algorithm loves Reels. Hands down, that is the quickest way to hack the algorithm. And there are a few more advantages. Because Reels is so new to Instagram, and so few people have been getting on it, the Instagram algorithm is really pushing it. Like, any reel, Instagram's algorithm just boosts insanely. On top of that, compounding it, there's no competition. The only other people using Reels are these reel-only accounts that have popped up and are, by the way, doing amazingly well. So it's just them and you. If you choose the right hashtags and you get enough traction when you first post it, your reel goes viral. The second compounding factor is that people using Reels are exploring. They're more likely to be open to a new account like yours when they discover it.